How's it going, YouTube? Just thought I'd take the time to show you some pieces I just finished tonight. I was actually hoping to show you how I made this one by doing this piece very quickly. This piece turned out a little bit better because in this you'll see that the Triforce is actually made of cardboard. So I just tried to do like a random pattern on this one. I just took the extra piece I had like this. This still needs a little bit of shaping. Just trying to figure out what to set up tonight. I can do some really good recording, but couldn't find a decent place to record. This piece, what I was going to try to go with was almost like a fist-like pattern, but the blue that you see is actually from a milk lid, and I only had one, and this one has about two. As you can see, I gotta do a little bit of sanding right there. I had to actually press this down into it because of one of my pieces before this got a little charred. I had to be very careful on timing. I had to really watch it. I'm still planning on finishing this. I'm going to chip that away, color it back in, and possibly take some clear glue and just fill that in, let it dry, and then possibly saw the corners off. But you can't really see the front side unless you got a light that's this bright. But as you see, this one is a little bit thinner than this one. This was actually supposed to be a little bit thicker itself. I'm just glad I picked up a whole bunch of these. Just don't mind my table here. All the stains you see is from when I'm working with my glue and dye. And can't wait to show you guys on how I made these. I mean, because it's amazing. You take just a little bit of cardboard, clear plastic forks, that's how I made the top part on both of these, and milk jug lids for the back. So, and as you see, still got more material. This I'm going to be putting into something, I just don't know what yet. I wanted to show y'all this little crazy unique piece. It's kind of cute, kind of reminds me of those really different little puzzle pieces. But I just cannot wait to show you guys. I mean, the other night I was cutting this stuff up, and that's how I injured myself. I also worked on this piece tonight. This was actually in a previous video where I took a bunch of handles from knives and forks and laid them out straight. But these, even though this the seal on it's not really all that, it's just, I just didn't want to take a chance on losing the center and then having to pull it apart, because if I would have pulled it apart it would have been beyond repair. But I'm gonna figure out some way to make it look a little bit better. maybe heat up a little bit more material and then just take this and just press it down on top of it, because the only thing you really need is just a can for projects like this, because I am very extremely happy with these. Even though this piece is random, it's still unique. Didn't get the fist pattern I was looking for, but it was still unique and a little different. Well, thank y'all for watching, and thanks again.